Nantucket, a Native American word meaning faraway place, is truly a world away. A visit to this beautiful island will bring you back in time and restore your sense of peace and tranquility. Smell the sea air mixed with roses as you enter the harbor on the ferry. Nantucket is accessible by sea or air, and once you're here, you won't want to leave. Exploring the town by foot is easy. Both ferries drop you right downtown. And the history of Nantucket will be apparent from your very first step on the cobblestone streets, passing by historic whaling captains' homes and old-fashioned lanterns. There are many restaurants to choose from in this small town, and all offer a selection of summer classics. Most serve organic local produce from Bartlett Farm, a family-run farm in the center of the island. From casual spots like the Rope Walk, which offers a raw bar and great views of the boats in the harbor, to more upscale dining like the Straight Wharf or American Seasons, there's something for everyone. These are just a sampling of the many fine restaurants on this island. The Nantucket Chamber of Commerce offers a full listing of the many dining and touring options. The shopping is great on Nantucket, and the merchants here offer very high-quality items. If you're interested in taking home a pair of Nantucket Reds, then Murray's Toggery Shop should be a stop. Murray's has been an institution on the island for over half a century. History abounds on this island, and no trip here is complete without a visit to the old mill. This, the oldest functioning mill in the country. Other points of historical interest are the Whaling Museum. The museum building was originally a candle factory, and exhibits here include the Fresnel light used in the Sankaty Head Lighthouse, a 46-foot skeleton of a sperm whale that washed ashore in 1998, and much more. Leaving town, explore the untouched beauty of this special place. Bike or moped rentals are a great way to explore the island and head to the beaches of Nantucket. 6 miles out of town, you'll find the charming village of Sconset. There are 2 renowned restaurants in Sconset, the Chanticleer and the Summer House. The Chanticleer is a rose-covered cottage with beautiful gardens and a decidedly French twist to their menu. Enjoy dining on the patio, surrounded by rose-covered trellises. The Summer House is truly a unique property, with casual beachside dining, as well as a more formal restaurant in the inn. The ocean is the draw on this island, and there is a beach for everyone. From the gentle waters of Jetty's Beach, which is an easy bike ride from town, to the rolling waves of Surfside, Nantucket has many miles of beaches, and exploring them is a pleasurable task. There are walking and bike paths covering the entire island, allowing full views of the most breathtaking scenery. Come, visit this jewel of the sea, sitting 30 miles off the coast of Cape Cod. You will discover a place of pristine beauty and historic significance that you will always remember.